Thatchers Cider is a company that was started by my great-grandfather in 1904 in Sanford. What we have done over the last 114 years is developed a real craft, skill and expertise in taking some of these absolutely amazing apples and turning them into fabulous cider. The land of the sunny people, as the Saxons used to call Somerset. This is an amazing county and we have perfect growing conditions for cider apples. We have enough cold weather in the winter. Cold weather is very good for apples because that encourages the trees to produce fruit. And then we have wet, warm summers, which is very good. The sun for the sugar, the water to keep the trees healthy. So perfect conditions for growing cider apples. Right from when the apples are picked from the orchard, for us it is very important that we pick them, we bring them into the mill immediately and squeeze the juice out of them so that they're in perfect condition. We then squeeze the juice out, keeping each single variety separate, and we store the juice very carefully in nice cold conditions. And then when we come to fermentation, the yeast we use and the way we look after that yeast is very important, because that's what turns those beautiful characters from those beautiful single variety apples into our amazing ciders.